Welcome to this quick start tutorial on admail.net, your all-in-one email marketing and social media solution. In this tutorial, we'll give you a general overview of everything you can do with your Admail account. If you haven't yet created an account, select Create Account from our homepage window. Log into your account by selecting Client Login on the homepage and entering your email address and your password. After the login, you will be brought to your Admail user account page. Here, you can view your account ID, the expiration date for your current Admail plan, the number of credits available for you to spend on Admail's premium features, and the number of active emails in your list builder database. Further down, you can access the full history of your imports and file uploads, your uploaded images and email attachments, such as PDF and Microsoft Office documents. On Projects, you can see all the projects you have created and select to create a new project. The Campaigns box shows you all the mailing campaigns you've made. Each item shows you the date and time of the respective campaign, the project name, subject of the email, and quantity of emails sent.
Selecting Duplicate Contents allows you to resend a campaign with the same email layout as before, without the need of creating a new one.
All email and contact lists for your campaigns, as well as all data from your customers, are added to and managed by our List Builder. To access it, simply select List Builder on the top of the page or select Active Members on your account homepage. Admail's List Builder supports all your database needs. Here you can see your total list members, active, non-deliverable, and unsubscribed emails. Select any of these options to export a CSV file to a local directory. You'll be given the options to customize the fields of data before selecting Export File. The Interest Groups box allows you to segment your clients into easy-to-distinguish categories.
To add an interest group, click the plus sign, name the group, and press Add. Delete interest groups by clicking the X on the interest group row. Note: any smart group associated with the interest group will also be deleted.
Create up to 50 different interest groups to segment your list into different groups or test segments. To create a group, simply click the Add button on the box. Type in a group name and select Add. See our Interest Group Basics for more information. Select Manage Smart Group to enter your Smart Group page. Smart Groups allow you to identify active list members by campaign that open your emails, click through to your website or landing pages, and more. We will talk about them in detail in our Smart Groups tutorial. There are several ways to add emails to your members list. The most common way to import emails in bulk is by selecting Import a List, then choosing a CSV file with all the emails you would like to import from your local drive. Admail allows you to customize the rows of data you would like to import prior to uploading each CSV file. You can create sign-up forms to attach to your website. New customers who sign into the forms will have their data automatically added to your List Builder list. Additionally, you can customize welcome or confirmation emails with important information about your company or organization. View our instructional videos, sign-up form and autoresponder, and the multiple sign-up forms to customize your sign-up form when you are ready. Alternatively, you can add emails manually by typing the email on Add List Member and selecting Add. You will be brought to your list member info page. Enter the client's first and last name and assign an interest group to their email. Select More Info to add more information options. You can also add an email without any other information attached. All information boxes are optional and can be completed later. Once finished, select Save. If you have list members already added, you can find them by typing their email on the Find List Member box. Select an email out of the search result options that show, and you will be able to view, edit, and save data for this client. Export your members list by either selecting Export Your List or selecting an option under List Member Info. Select the fields of data you would like to export, then select Export File. A CSV file will be downloaded into your local directory. Let's create an email for your campaign with your Admail Email Builder feature. To start, select Email Builder on the top of the page. all of our templates are mobile-ready, covering mobile phones, tablets, and desktop viewing. Here, you can choose a pre-made template for your email campaign or create your own template from scratch. Our ready-to-go templates are divided into 6 categories: featured, newsletter, events, business, recreation, and holidays. Featured templates work across the board and are ideal for mailing campaigns that are not too niche specific. Each topic will come with its own set of subtopics, helping you further narrow down your search to a template that fits your campaign goals the most. Select Design Your Own Template if you want to design your template from scratch. This feature is recommended for more advanced clients or clients with a more specific creative vision in mind. AdMail's Email Builder brings you all the features to create effective emails compatible with all standard email browsers, operating systems, or web-based email services like Gmail, Hotmail, and Yahoo for either personal computers and mobile phones. Please note, before editing anything in your email, type a name for your project on Project Name. Your project name is saved automatically. Edit the body of your email by typing a header, the main context text, adding a footer, and many other features that you can check under your project name box. Format each layer of the email with the formatting box to the right or double-click the text to format it directly. For an in-depth explanation of each of these features, check out Responsive Email Builder tutorial for more advanced users. On the left of the screen, you'll see the project options that let you customize your campaign. On Actions, you can save and close your project, save it without leaving the page, export your email template HTML code, or create a duplicate of your project. On Send, select Create Campaign to customize, then send your email campaign, or Send Test to first send a test email to your own email address for proofreading. Selecting Preview will open a preview page that will show you how your email will look to your clients. You can preview it for mobile, tablets, and desktop computers. Select Attach to add attachments to your email, such as Office files, PDFs, or MP3 audio files. Note, the attachments are not part of the body of your email, but rather files that come attached at the end of the email to be downloaded by the recipient. The Merge option allows you to personalize your email with information from a previous data list, creating different emails for different clients, such as personalized names and addresses. For an in-depth look into this feature, watch our Personalize with List Data tutorial. On Actions, select Save to save your project at any time, and Save and Close to save the project, then return to your home page. You will see your new project under the Projects tab. Select the project to get options to preview, edit, send, or delete it. Let's have a look on our pre-made templates. Again, select Email Builder to choose a template from one of our 6 categories. Name your project. Edit and customize each of the elements in your email according to your needs. AdMail.net makes it easy to add and edit images, headers, footers, and much more. Just click an element and use the box on the right to customize it. Watch our Email Builder tutorial for an in-depth look at all your customization options. AdMail also allows advanced users to import their own custom HTML email tablet. Watch our custom HTML tutorial for more info. Once a campaign has been sent, you can track it using our AccuTrack feature. This concludes the Quick Start tutorial for your AdMail account. For more information and a detailed explanation of each feature, proceed to our next tutorial videos.